Whether you're preparing a release, documenting decisions, or summarizing work for stakeholders, Backlog AI Assistant helps you draft clear, structured content in seconds. Let's say we're getting ready to share an update about our mobile app project using Backlog AI Assistant. We can create a new document in Backlog's Documents section where teams keep shared project knowledge. Now let's ask Backlog AI Assistant to draft the release notes for the upcoming mobile app release. In a few moments, Backlog AI Assistant generates a complete draft for us, including an overview, what's new and currently in progress, bug fixes, known issues, and what's coming next. All based on the issues in this project. We have some technical details here, and there's even a section to thank the team and recognize the role each of them has played in the project, based entirely on the issues they have worked on. Once we're happy with the draft, we can transfer it to the project document. Let's copy the content generated by Backlog AI Assistant and paste it in this document. Because the content is already well structured and formatted, no extra cleanup is needed. It's ready to be shared or refined with the team. If we want to adjust the tone or improve clarity, we can always ask the assistant to revise the content, for example, making it more concise for social media. Here's the title, the key highlights, what was fixed, what's next, and the team shout-out. There's even a shorter alternative version and pro tips to make your post more engaging. With the creation and revision capabilities of Backlog AI Assistant, teams can create and revise project documentation faster, reduce manual effort, and keep communication consistent, all without leaving Backlog. Thanks for watching.